For automatic parking operations with self-selecting parking spaces, the following entry points are available. Tap the Automatic Parking Assist in the application interface. Press the Auto Parking button on the steering wheel. Tap the APA button in the bottom right of the 360 camera interface. Once in the Auto Park interface, keep the brake pedal pressed. Tap the Self-Select button in the bottom left of the screen. Select the parking space type from the pop-up and a draggable box will appear on the left-hand side of the interface. Manually drag the box to the desired parking space and then tap the Confirm button to start parking. Release the brake pedal and the vehicle will start to park automatically, during which the driver will be prompted to check the surroundings and be ready to take control of the vehicle. After parking is complete, the system will prompt "Parking completed" to the driver and automatically exit the APA interface after 4 seconds.